I'm Mariangela and I come from Italy, where I studied space engineering at Milan's Politecnico. I'm currently working at the ESA Control Center, ESOC, in Darmstadt, where I support interplanetary probes during their routine operations. As many of the colleagues I happen to speak to, when I was in high school I was very interested in physics and fascinated by space. Then I realized not only there was a strong interest in understanding it, I also wanted to explore it. So when we were given the opportunity to present a free topic project in school, and we chose the history of space exploration, I decided I wanted to be part of it. During my studies, I worked on a CubeSat mission within the ESA Flyer satellite program, leading the team on reliability and operations, and I represented it at the ESA Technology Center, ESTEC. I was also trained in spacecraft operations by the ESA Academy, gained hands-on experience in the new space industry, and designed the onboard data handling subsystems for interplanetary rovers and orbiters, and eventually presenting a team project about Martian exploration in IAC. What I want to achieve in the space industry is to stay close to where space exploration and the history of humankind in space is actually made. So I want to attend it and contribute to the missions that are shaping our presence in space. See you at SpaceVrse!